You want to create your own website but don't know where to start? No worries. This course is made just for you, the Absolute Beginner course. In this video, you will learn HTML from scratch and step by step with zero coding experience needed. We will cover everything from creating your first web page to adding images, colors, table, links, and forms. By the end, you will be able to build your own website and by yourselves. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's start your web development journey together. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you are ready to learn and grow, in this video series, we are going to learn about HTML. With the help of HTML, you can create your own website. So if you want to create your own website, this course is for you. HTML is very easy to learn and you will enjoy it while running it. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. If you don't understand these words, just ignore. These are just some big words. Just remember, HTML is used to create a website. So what do you need in order of to write HTML code? You need nothing, just a notepad on your PC and you can write code for HTML.